Hi Year 8 and welcome to Lesson 6 of Metals and Non-Metals. Last lesson we looked at reactions with acids and I asked you to complete slot questions 5 for today. I'm now going to show you the answers to the questions. Please pause the video and mark your work. Alternatively, the answer sheet is on Show My Homework for you to download. So, here we go with the answers. Today we'll follow the same routine as last lesson. If you don't have everything you need, pause the video and do this now. Retrieval practice slide 1, pause and have a go. And these are the answers. If you need to pause and note down any, please do this now. Next retrieval practice slide, pause and have a go. And these are the answers. If you need to pause and note down any, please do this now. Last retrieval practice slide, pause and have a go. And these are the answers. If you need to pause and note down any, please do this now. We are now going to move on to focus on naming salts. To do this, you will need access to the resources that are on Show My Homework. If you haven't done so already, pause the video and get yourself organised. Okay, so this first question should seem very familiar to us. What is produced when some metals react with acids? So, acid plus metal makes a salt plus hydrogen. Now today we're going to focus in on this here, the salt. So, name the salts made from 3 lab acids. So my first acid is hydrochloric acid. And that makes chlorides. Next one, nitric acid makes nitrates. And lastly, sulfuric acid makes sulfates. So what does this even mean? I'm going to give you 3 examples now. So first one, I'm going to do lithium plus hydrochloric acid. So I've got my metal plus acid, so I know I'm going to make a salt and hydrogen. But this time I've got to actually name the salt. Now, we always start with the name of the metal first, so it'll be lithium. And then I've made hydrochloric acid, so hydrochloric acid makes chlorides, so it'll become lithium chloride plus hydrogen. Another example, lithium plus nitric acid. So I've kept the same metal. Again, I make a salt plus hydrogen. The salt is going to start with the name of the metal, lithium. This time I've used nitric acid, and nitric acid makes nitrates. So it becomes lithium nitrate plus hydrogen. Last one, lithium plus sulfuric acid. So, lithium, sulfuric acid makes sulfate, lithium sulfate plus hydrogen. We have now come to the part of the lesson where you need to embed the knowledge covered today. You should do this by first self-testing, and then if you want to move to peer testing by asking someone at the home to quiz you, feel free to do so. Pause this video and do that now. Finally, it's time for you to have a go at some practice questions. The slot questions are attached to show my homework. If you are unable to access these, they will appear at the end of this video. Please ensure these questions are completed, ready for the next lesson. Thank you for tuning in, Year 8, and stay safe.